Check out this pre-owned 2009 GMC Sierra 1500. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC is a great value with less than 12,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition.
Thanks for visiting us. Shop with confidence. Apply for our easy and simple financing options to meet all of your credit needs with our 5-minute pre-approval. Click on our Finance tab to start your buying process. Also ask about our no-obligation delivery process.